Hello everyone. In this video I am showing you to do basic tasks in Postgres. Okay, this video is dedicated for the beginners. So without doing any delay, let's start. Okay, I need to type password here. Now I have logged in as a Postgres user. So at first we are going to create a database. So whatever the record we will keep, the record will be inside the database. Okay, database has table and table has record. So let's create the database first. So to create database, type create database, name of database, let's say customers. Okay, it is created. You have created the database, so whether it is created or not, how to see? So to do that, type /nel. Okay, it is used to list the database. So here are the database listed. Okay, so customers is here. So now let's go inside the customer database. To do that, type /c customers. Okay, so now we are inside the customer database. So inside the customer database we will create the table. Okay, and we will do all the operation inside that database. So let's create the first table there. Create table. So write the name of table, then let's it be users. Okay, now then we have to write whatever the topic will be there, name. So let's write name inside for car 40. Okay, so is should be int, and similarly let's write city will be also work hard side 30. Okay, now table is created. So to see the table in the database, you can type /dt. Okay, it will list the table. So only one table is here, so it shows only this one. To know more about the tables, you can type /dt plus, so it will show more information. So let's insert the value on the table. So to do that, you have to type insert into the name of table, users, and values. So write the values. If you are using string data, you have to use this quotes. Okay, single quote. So first name will be array or number. It is not required to type code. So 24, and city, let's be bottle. Okay, now insert the data. It is inserted. Let's see whether it is there or not. To do that, select star. Star means all. Select all from name of the table, users. Okay, only one data we have. Now let's try to enter multiple data at once. To do that, just do insert into the name of table, users, values. Now let's insert the value from SB24 CTB Kathmandu. Okay, now next value, comma and bracket open. Next value will be Kamal is 19 city Pokhara. Okay, so in this way you can insert multiple data. You can go on inserting more data, but I will insert only 2. Okay, to check that, the select users. Okay, if you want to go to previous command, just use up cursor and down cursor, upside arrows and downside arrow. Okay, okay, here are 3 records. Now let's try deleting the rows. Okay, let's try to delete this. Okay, so to delete, let's use a technique, delete from name of table, users. Okay, we are going to delete the values whose age is 24. Okay, so where age is equal to 24. Okay, now deleted or not, let's see. We have two records having s24, so both the records are deleted, like this way. Okay, now similarly, if you want to delete column, this whole record, okay, suppose one column, if you want to delete whole s data, whole city data, what to do? For that you can do alter table, the name of the table is users. We are going to drop column, and name of column is city. Let's check the table. See, city is not listed here. Now next we are going to empty the table. To empty the table you can use truncate table. Name of table is users. Okay, now let's check the table is empty here. Now how to delete the table? To delete table you can use drop table and name of table users. Okay, now let's check the table. So relation does not exist, it means table is not there. So only this much for today. In next lessons we are going to learn more things about Postgres database and the different tasks related to data and records we will do in next videos. Thank you for watching. Stay updated.